Yo, this was painful to watch. So DJ Speedster just got dragged hard after an awkward moment with Ushamiso Mosaka, and the internet is not letting him breathe, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Gossip Grenade, where we keep it real, raw, and a little bit messy. And today we need to talk about this very uncomfortable situation that has everyone talking. So boom, a clip starts circulating online, right, showing DJ Speedster and Ushamiso Mosaka together. Now remember, these two have already been linked romantically before, so people are already watching them closely. But in this specific moment, something felt off. In this clip, Speedster seems a bit too eager, a bit too intense, while Ushamiso, yeah, she's giving, please don't do this right now, energy. Body language awkward, timing off, chemistry questionable, and the worst part, it looked completely one-sided. You already know South Africans don't hold back, guys. So people on social media immediately started dragging Speedster, saying things like, read the room, bro. Like, she's clearly uncomfortable. Why is he forcing it? Others even said the whole thing gave second-hand embarrassment. And once the narrative started, it was over. Now, let's be honest here. So sometimes clips can be misleading, right? We don't know what happened before or after that moment. But perception is everything online. And in this case, it really didn't look good for Speedster. Shamiso, on the other hand, came off calm, but clearly not matching his energy. This also brings up a bigger conversation about reading social cues, respecting boundaries, and not doing too much, especially in public. Because once it hits the internet, there's no coming back. But I need to hear from you guys. Was DJ Speedster really out of line, or are people just overreacting? Like always, drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because you already know when it comes to SA Celeb drama, we don't miss it.